If you want to know who will control the world in 2030, don't look at the South China Sea or the oil fields of Dubai. Look at this single, high-altitude triangle in the Andes. It's a 400,000 square mile desert graveyard where the 20th century ends and the 21st begins. Beneath these salt flats sits 60% of the world's white gold, a resource so critical that China has spent over $100 billion to lock it down before the West even realized there was a war. You're looking at the Lithium Triangle, the only place on Earth that can make or break a superpower. The math is brutal. In 2025, lithium isn't just a metal, it's the new oil. While the US has finally made a move with a landmark 5% stake in Lithium Americas, China still controls 60% of the world's refining capacity. In Bolivia, the pincer is closing. China has secured the rights to the Salar de Uyuni, the largest deposit on Earth, while Russia has quietly taken control of the Pastos Grandes salt flat. The price of white gold is skyrocketing again, up 25% this year alone, as the market realizes that by 2026, China is projected to control 35% of all global extraction. If you don't own the salt, you don't own the future. But there is a dark side to the green dream. To get just 1 ton of lithium, you have to evaporate 2.2 million liters of water in the driest place on the planet. In Chile's Atacama Desert, mining has already swallowed 65% of the region's water, turning ancestral lands into cracked dust. As we head into 2026, the battle is shifting to DL, Direct Lithium Extraction, a high-tech gamble to save water while speeding up production by 90%. It's a multi-billion-dollar race against time. Can we save the planet's climate before we destroy its most fragile ecosystems to mine the solution? In the Lithium Triangle, the next century of power is being carved out of the earth. One thing is certain: whoever controls the salt controls the world.